Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. So, today we're diving into Synthetix SNX. You've probably heard of it if you're into DeFi, but if you haven't, don't worry. I'll give you the full breakdown. So, yeah, Synthetix is like a really interesting project. It's a DeFi platform that allows people to trade synthetic assets that track real-world assets, like stocks, commodities, and even crypto without actually holding those assets. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But before we get into all of that, just a quick reminder. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not giving any financial advice, okay? Always do your own research and yeah, invest at your own risk. All right, now let's jump into it. So, Synthetix has been like one of the most important DeFi projects out there for a while now. It's really been shaping the whole decentralized finance space. And that's why we're talking about it today. It's a project that like allows people to trade these synthetic assets, which track things like stocks or commodities, like I said, but it's not like you're holding those assets in your hands. You're not like buying the actual stock of a company or buying the actual commodity like gold or silver. You're trading a synthetic version of them that just like tracks the price movement of those assets. Pretty cool, right? So that's why it's such a big deal in DeFi. It's got a ton of utility, and that makes it like a crucial part of decentralized finance. And the long-term potential? Yeah, it's looking pretty strong, especially as, the DeFi sector continues to expand. It's definitely a project worth keeping an eye on. But let's talk about the short term, because things are looking a little, shaky for SNX right now. So in the short term, SNX is facing like some downward pressure. And we really need to figure out if it can, break through this resistance or if it's going to continue to like fall. So right now, we saw that SNX didn't really hold the $1.48 level. That was a key support zone, and it didn't manage to hold it. Instead, it just like kept falling lower, and it's now in a downtrend. So that's something to be aware of. Looking ahead, the next major level to watch is around $1.23. This is like another crucial support zone for SNX, and we need to keep an eye on it. If SNX holds this level, there's a chance, just a chance, that we could see a potential reversal and, it might start heading back up. But if $1.23 doesn't hold, and it like breaks through that level, the downtrend could just like continue. So we need to be cautious, yeah? We don't want to get too excited too early. Now, if SNX does hold at $1.23, there's like a stronger chance of a reversal. And the first major target on the upside would be like $3.34. So that would be a strong bounce, and it would show a shift from like bearish to bullish momentum. But for that to happen, we need to see a few things. First off, volume has to increase, We need to see a surge in buying volume. This like signals strong accumulation by traders, and it would indicate that people are really starting to like pile into the market. Next, we need to look at the MACD. If you're familiar with it, you know that it's like a pretty solid indicator of momentum shifts. So we need to see a bullish crossover there. If that happens, it would basically confirm the momentum shift, and, we could start seeing that bullish move. So those two indicators are really going to be critical. They're going to help us like figure out if SNX is going to start moving back up or if it's just going to, keep going down for a while. So let's quickly summarize just to make sure we've got everything clear, First, keep an eye on that $1.23 level. If SNX holds here, there's like a good chance we'll see a strong bounce. Second, watch for volume increase. More volume generally means more buying interest. And finally, check the MACD for a potential bullish crossover. If it crosses upward, that's going to be like your signal that the trend might be reversing. If all of these, indicators line up, SNX could potentially head back toward $3.34 in the next few weeks. But if they don't, then we might just see more downside pressure before anything, starts to turn around. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just a quick reminder, though, that this is all just for fun and, entertainment. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before making any investment decisions. All right, take care and invest wisely. Always at your own risk. See you next time, yeah?